Ah, 50-50 kung malabas. Guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment also. Bell all po tayo for you to be notified on our next video. So today, I'm thinking if we're going to go outside to attend mass or just stay here because I'm so bored already and I want new environment. So titignan natin kung makakalabas tayo kasi masarap gumala sa labas since it's raining. Ayan, so coffee muna. Okay, so right now it's raining and the temperature is 23 degrees Celsius. So yung normal talaga na dito is degrees Celsius dito is mga 30, 29 ganon. Kasi mainit talaga yung Thailand. Ngayon lang talaga umulan. Tapos since yesterday, ayan, malamig siya. Malamig na malamig. Ngayon lang talaga ganito yung weather. Summer na summer, umuulan tapos malamig pa, guys. Hindi na kami nag-fan dito. Pero usually talagang electric fan yung gamit namin, dala-dalawa pa. Kasi nga walang aircon. So I'm thinking if lalabas ako o hindi kasi yun nga, maulan. Tapos ang pangit magbiyahe pag ganito na umuulan ba? Pero masarap gumala kasi malamig siya, guys. So kape muna tayo. It's raining here in Thailand. Ayan, so 23 degrees Celsius ngayon. Usually mainit talaga dito pero ngayon umuulan tapos malamig pa. Since last night. Or should I say since yesterday, malamig talaga. Pero kagabi lang ito umulan. Ayan, so I'm thinking if lalabas ako o hindi. Try to buy. Ayan, so 5 numbers is worth 20 baht and 18 numbers is worth 50 baht. So we are going to try if it's all lucky. If we are lucky, then we can get that item. Let's go. 5 ka. Two, 3, 4, and 5. So if you're lucky, guys, then you're going to get one teddy bear. So and all teddy bears, big and small. Let's see if our number is lucky. I have 5 here. I have 5 numbers here and we're going to open here. Ayan, lucky number natin. Let's go. So first number we have 711. Let's find out if there is 711 there. I think there is no 711. 711. 711. There is no 711. There's nothing. Let's try to open the second one. I have still 4. So wala tayong nakuha kahit isa, wala. Bye-bye na. So we're here at so we're here right now at Siam and we're heading to Big C. Naghanap pa tayo ng gimbal. Meron. So, ito pa pala yung sentro ng Bangkok, guys. Lapit lang ko sa Platinum and Central World. So, ayan pa yung Central World. Yan yung Central World. Ayan yung sentro ng Bangkok. And that is, front of that is Big C and Market. Yan. You can see. Today, there's only few people because of COVID. And pero mga next week, madami na yan, guys. Ganyan po sila kadibulo. Ganyan po sila nagpipray. Pray po yung mga tao dyan. Yan po yung mga Buddhist. Ayan. So we're going to go to Big C. Big C muna tayo, guys. Ayan. Ayan po. Diyan po sila nagpipray. Mga tao. Usually, mga lahat, almost all ng mga bahay may mga ganyan. Very devoted talaga sila sa ayan, so punta po tayo ng Big C Supermarket. Traffic. That is Central Road. Doon tayo banda sasakay mamaya. Yan. See? Hotel. Market. Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video yan. Galat tayo. Nabutang Platinum. We're heading to Big C Supermarket Center. Ayan. Yan po yung isang pinakamalaking department store nila dito sa Thailand. Lalakad po tayo papunta ng ayan, paradahan ng bus. Dito po tayo dadaan sa Gaysan. Ito po yung shortcut ng Gaysan. Papunta po dun sa kabila. Tapos na yun. Nice. Ang bango talaga dito. Iba yung amoy. Pupunta po tayo sa kabilang bahay. Pupunta po tayo sa sa sasakyan. Sasakay na po tayo. Uwi na tayo. Tama na daw yan. Tama na yung kay Tio. Next time na lang ulit. Walk muna tayo dito. Tingin tayo. Para makita. Nakita ba kayo dyan? Wala kayo makita eh. Wala kayo makita. ang dilim. Yan, dyan tayo galing kanina. Yan yung Gay's Horn. Yan yung Central World. Ito yung intersection, oh. May sumasayaw. Tridents. Ay, tapos na daw yun. Tapos magbibigay sila ng tip. Ay, ganun pala yun. Okay. Intersection. Nandito tayo sa Ratchaprasan. Yan po yung dating na-burn. Located here at Central World. Masukin natin